Thank you, Director Niddle. Appreciate it. In your kind of slideshow handout, you have sales and use tax collections. You did a projection year-to-year growth between New Jersey, Massachusetts, New York, Ohio, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and Virginia. Out of that list, we're third from the bottom. We're in the positives. It has Maryland at negative 0.1%, Virginia negative 2.9%. The rest of the states we've seen major growth ranging from 3.3% to 8.6%, PAs at 2.3%. Have you analyzed why we've seen those states have a huge jump surrounding us comparably to Pennsylvania?
We have not, but I would agree with you. We found it odd that we would be quite different than the surrounding states. Again, we were anticipating some gains here. The stock market is up, the housing market, and it does not appear to have translated in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, in one of your notes later, you mentioned the fear of that is because 30 to 40% of sales tax collections are derived from businesses, from corporations. Is that, are we seeing corporations and businesses spending more money in those states, where in Pennsylvania it's holding on to it?
That's possible, but unfortunately there are no data that we can point to confirm that.
Okay. Maybe another aspect is expanded sales tax base. I know Maryland, while it's negative 0.1%, does have a sales tax on clothing versus Pennsylvania. Could that play a role in that as well?
That could be a likely candidate, the broader sales tax base picking up some additional growth. Absolutely.
All right. Have you looked at this in relation to the personal income tax? I know that's a little more difficult as we have a flat rate versus other states who have more progressive rate. Have we seen that in income tax also, or is it just unique to sales tax?
We did not make the comparison for personal income tax. We just did it for sales.
Okay. And one other question. Obviously, we're continuing the capital stock franchise tax elimination through this budget. Part of your testimony brought in that, at least within here, I saw a line item that won't, it'll be easier to calculate moving forward as it's a shrinking amount. Have we looked at alternative to taxes like other states? I know some states employ an alternative minimum tax plus a CNI. Have you done a comparison with other states, if that's completely phased out, where we are comparable to other states?
In terms of tax burden or tax structure?
Yeah.
We have not. We do put out a so-called tax burden report every year where we do rank the states by various personal income, corporate income. Our ranking has been falling slowly, but we haven't examined it in a prospective basis.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.